We think we are a loser. We cannot do anything in life. But we forget that we are the winner of race of 1 billion sperms. So we always have this celebration called life. You see, we are not a loser. We can do anything in life. In life, be like a lotus, which grows in mud, but becomes pure and beautiful, untouched by the mud. Rise above your surroundings' quality. There is no value of things you give to someone when they don't ask for it. If you want to be happy forever in your life, just be thankful on things that you always take for granted. Your journey to destiny is much more beautiful than your destiny.